In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert HTML file to PDF. It's totally free. First, you can see I open Google, then here I type HTML to PDF. Then I found lots of website, but I choose this Cloud Convert. This is drag and drop website, so I need to upload on here. So this is my HTML file I already uploaded. So you can see if I decided to convert HTML to others file like mm, this docs, md, obdt, etc. But I don't need click convert, just wow, it's already processing, then done. If I click on download, that's it. It's already download completed to my computer. You can see. Thanks for watching. See you again.